Hey everyone, my name is Joshua Berglan, and today I've got a couple tips for you if you are a podcaster, broadcaster, or live streamer. This is going to be super quick, but if you are doing any of those things, it is imperative that you create an IMDb page. Register yourself, register your broadcast, your live stream, your podcast. There's categories for you. Make it official. Make yourself official. Where we're going with technology and where we're going with the world of entertainment, you want to register your likeness. You want to establish yourself and your likeness as an authority. And one of the best ways to do that is IMDb. Now, there's a lot of other benefits to IMDb, but this for you, because a lot of people don't know that podcast, broadcast, and live stream, that you can put your content on IMDb. You can register your show, register every episode, and then also start building your own IMDb status, your status points. It goes a long way and it matters, especially in the world of entertainment. And, the world of education and entertainment is merging. Teachers, thought leaders, educators, they're becoming a different type of celebrity. And guess what? You should put your content on IMDb also. Here's another one just for fun, but I recommend this to anybody. I had a really great meeting with somebody today, and somebody just has the it factor written all over him. Just absolutely amazing talent, this guy. And look, if you're capable of doing a broadcast, if you're capable of doing a live stream, if you're capable of broadcasting in any form, whether it's an OTT network, YouTube channel, Rumble channel, Odyssey, Muse.ai, which I love and I'm using right now. I look, you have the talent to get other gigs outside of being behind a camera and a microphone talking, at least in this capacity, the way that you're normally doing it. Because if you have the talent to do this, then you have the talent to be an actor. You have the talent to do voiceover. You have the talent to model. You have the talent. And by the way, modeling is not what maybe the stereotype is. There's all kinds of models. There's disfigured models. There's models with scars. There's models with tattoos. There's obese models. There's super skinny models. They're beefy, Midwestern corn-fed, like me, models. There's all kinds of different models. And so there's great casting websites that you can get yourself booked, like AllCasting. But and AllCasting, there's a ton of them. But if you're doing any of this, go to a website like AllCasting or even search for websites like AllCasting. It is extra money opportunities for you. This is not a joke. This is not a gimmick. Anyone can do it. The days of I need to go to LA to be an actor, I need to go to LA to make a movie, I need to go to LA to make a TV show, I need to go to LA, I need to go to LA. That it's just not true. I live in a small town in Minnesota, an amazing town in Minnesota, and but LA is home for me. It's home in my heart. But I don't need LA. I don't need LA to do commercials. I don't need LA to model. I don't need LA to broadcast or to act. No one does, and those are facts. The world's changed, and it is such an exciting time. So regardless of what you think you look like, or regardless of what talent you like, well, I've always wanted to be an actor, but I haven't taken acting classes, and wow, I don't live in LA. Like, throw all that out of the window because you don't even need talent to act. I mean, well, hold on. Yeah, I mean, you need some talent, but that's not what I'm trying to say. There's all types of acting because you can act and you're basically being yourself, reading lines or memorizing lines and saying it. I mean, there's just so many opportunities out there. And those of you who are looking for extra revenue opportunities, AllCasting, great website. You should check it out. And what else do I want to give you? So IMDb, got to do that. And check out AllCasting. And I'm not getting paid by either site. In fact, I pay to use both sites, but they benefit me in a big way. And most of my acting gigs, and I have agents, but most of my acting gigs have come from me getting myself booked. And I use sites like AllCasting. It's extra revenue streams for you, a lot of extra opportunities, and plus the experience of being on set is just awesome. So if you haven't done it, check it out. Thank you for watching.